8 police officers in hospital.
Chaotic scene.
This will feel a little weird.
Welcome. If you were here, that means you are the one. The chosen one.
Chosen to get this. What's up, y'all? Coach Sambo here, your online b-boy coach.
Now give me 5 motherfucking push-ups.
So today in this tutorial, I will be showing you beautiful people out there the secrets to learn the shoulder halo. So to learn the shoulder halo, you at least need to be able to do one normal halo, at least one, guys, come on. So if you don't know how to do halos yet and you're watching this video, then, you know, go ahead and waste your time. You also need a really developed, strong neck. And something that would give you even more advantage, and I'm talking about uber advantage, is being able to do basic freeze combos with a leg pump. So if you need help on halos or freeze hops or whatever, then just ask Father Christmas. Or if that doesn't work, then you can head on over to my YouTube channel and check out those tutorials. And don't forget to subscribe right here if you realize that this is the best channel for your breaking tutorials with your man Coach Sambo. So the first thing we are going to do is learn how to pop from a shoulder freeze up to a headstand. This is basically 70% of your shoulder halo right here. So to do this, we're going to need help from the leg pump. While positioned in your shoulder freeze, we're going to pull our legs in and kick them out to make that hop to a headstand. Use your hands to get a good grip on that headstand. Also, the leg pump has to be really short, precise, and clean, so it becomes super light and easy. Now, we're going to add a little bit of rotation. Start out from your knees. We're going to execute the same technique, but rotate approximately 90 degrees between the shoulder freeze and the headstand. You can also get a small amount of rotation by doing a very small power kick, also known as a smower kick, from your knees. And if you manage to pop from your shoulder up to your headstand without any hands, or you even manage to pop from your shoulder halo into a kind of head spin, then I am 95% sure that you will learn the shoulder halo today. So now that we have the core essence of the shoulder halo on lock, we're going to start by really creating that power move feel. So now we have to add another freeze to this combo, the baby freeze. So without making too much speed, we're going to start from the baby freeze and then enter the shoulder pop transition to your head. And a really good tip right here that you will only find with Coach Sambo is try and restrict yourself from making too much speed in the beginning. Start out with a little bit of rotation, and if this starts to work, then you can start to push more and more speed and more rotation. Also, another really good tip is not doing a long ass freeze before actually doing the shoulder transition. You want to very briefly pass through that baby freeze, because then the dots connect a lot faster to one another. Just swiftly make these transitions by starting out on your knees. And this should normally start to work.
Normally.
And only if you can pull off everything we've seen right now are you ready for the next phase. So take your time, guys, because if you learn this too fast, you'll learn it the wrong way, and then you'll have to unlearn it and then learn it again, and then before you know it, you're 45 years old and you still ain't got that shoulder halo on lock. So take your time. Practice slow, learn fast. Practice fast, learn slow. So now it's time to get that shoulder halo to the next level and really create that power move. And I'll show you how right after these messages.
Are you tired of hurting yourself while training? Well, maybe it's time for change. Learn all your b-boy techniques from Coach Sambo and never hurt yourself again.
Coach Sambo, taking in your pain since 2001.
So it's the like button. So now we have to add rotation to the baby freeze to make sure we perform our shoulder halo in a circle so you don't fall off stage. Doing this will make sure that your shoulder halo is performed on one spot, so you can do as many as you like without falling off the stage. So as explained very detailed in my windmill or halo tutorial, I'm first going to make a 45 to 90 degree rotation in the baby freeze before making the shoulder pop. Start small while learning this, but when it starts to work for you, you want to expand. So now we're almost there. What we want to do now is catch that headstand with another baby freeze. Catching that baby freeze is the connection point to the next move you want to combine or the next shoulder halo you want to execute while doing multiple shoulder halos. And before training multiple shoulder halos, I actually recommend you to just combine it with a windmill and other basic power moves, because everything will help you at this stage. But the most important thing is once you start to train multiple shoulder halos, you want to use that baby freeze to create that shoulder halo. And there are a lot of shoulder halo variations that do not use the baby freeze, but this is the basic shoulder halo, and this is where it all starts out. For me personally, I think it's less tiring to do shoulder halos than normal halos, because I don't have the push that I have to execute every time. I'm just popping off my shoulder, which is way less tiring, and I hope you will experience the same. So let's look at multiple shoulder halos up close. As you can see, the baby freeze is always used before every shoulder pop. If you execute this nice and clean, then you can see that my head is making a massive slide before every shoulder pop. This is something a lot of people forget when training this. It will also make your shoulder halos nice and open, giving you that nice form. Don't forget to stretch your legs as much as you can when not performing the leg pump. And if all of this starts to work out, then post a video on Instagram, tag me so I can repost it, and I just love to watch you guys learn new stuff. And the other way around, if you can't manage to pull off the shoulder halo, then just send me a video of that, and I would be more than happy to help you out at Coach Sambo's Customer Service. Good morning, this is Coach Sambo's Customer Service. How can I help you? No, I am not responsible for you learning your head spin in the wrong direction.
I said it very clearly in my tutorial. You have to do your head spin in the same direction as your windmill.
Then you shouldn't have scrolled through the video. As I said, more than happy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments if you want me to make an advanced shoulder halo tutorial with variations. And be honest, like really honest. Did I destroy this tutorial or what? Then help me out and
Spam the comment section.
because every reaction to this video will help me rank up in the YouTube stats. We can basically hack the system, guys. And by doing this, I can make my videos rank up to because I could have been with my girlfriend right now, and I'm telling you, man, she's hot. But instead of watching Netflix with her, I'm here making tutorials for all you smelly b-boys out there. We are really smelly, you know what I mean? And while I'm at it, just let me know what tutorials you want to see next, because I will make them for you. And I was actually thinking of making the ultimate air baby tutorial up next, but let me know what you think. Because at the end of the day, when you think about it, it's all about money and girls. Nah, man, it's all about that
B-boy shit.